Ampere meter square.
Brilliant. Once again, Gotan, you're on fire. 5 points. Well done. And question to take another 10 points. Electric potential is given by V is equal to 6x minus 8y. Find the force acting on a point charge of 2 coulombs placed at origin. Electric potential V is equal to 6x minus 8y. Find the force acting on a point charge of
20 Newton.
coulombs.
20 Newton.
20 newtons. Well, that was much quicker than I had anticipated. Can you show me how you worked out?
V is equal to 6x minus 8y. Now if you partially differentiate V with respect to x, you'll get 6. And that same if you do partially with y, you'll get 8. And then if you find the resultant, you'll get 10. And that is the electric field. And then if you solve it out, then you'll get 20.
And did you actually solve it out? Okay. Alright, I was just testing. 10 points. Well done. Well done. Okay, Wesch model. 2 charges of 4 microcoulombs each are placed at the 2 corners A and B of an equilateral triangle of side 0.2 meter length in air. Find the electric potential at the third vertex. Given that 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Four microcoulomb charge, 2 corners A and B of an equilateral triangle, side length 0.2 meter in air. Find the electric potential. I know the time is over, but
18 into 10 power 10 joule per coulomb.
sorry,
18 into 10 is power 10 joule per coulomb.
18 into
10 is power 10.
not the right answer, and you're not even giving me the unit. No, Birla Public School.
So 9 root 3 into 10 raised to power 11.
No, not the right answer. Maheshwari Public School.
36 into 10 raised to 4 Newton meter per coulomb.
I might come back to you. Sir, Padampat Singhania Education Center.
3.124 into 10 to the power 5 meter per.
No, that's not the right answer. Rajkumar College.
20 into 10 raised to the minus 3. 720 into 10 raised to
Not the right answer. Rajkumar College, Rajkot. Not trying. DPS Jodhpur.
3.6 into 10 raised to the power 5.
3.6 into 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, and what is your unit?
Potential.
Yeah. Electric potential.
Joule per coulomb.
I might have to refer to the panel a little bit later. I'll look for another answer. MMPS.
72 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton meter per coulomb.
No, that's not the right answer. Vallabh Ashrams.
3.6 into 10 power 5 volts.
3.6 into 10 to the power 5 volts is the right answer. Sir, can they be given? Maheshwari Public School? Okay, also correct. Okay, fine. In that case, the point will go to Maheshwari Public School, Jaipur. You could have intervened a little earlier in that case. We'll give that to you. Okay, 5 points. Even though you answered it correctly, but they were the ones who got it first, so they'll get the 5 points. Okay. A semicircle arc of radius A is charged uniformly, and the charge per unit length is lambda. What is the electric field at its center? You can give me the answer in terms of epsilon naught. a semicircular arc of radius A, charged uniformly and the charge per unit length is lambda.
So lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught r.
Lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught r.
A.
No, that's not the right answer. Maheshwari Public School.
2k lambda by A.
Not 2k lambda by A, no. Kanpur? No answer. Rajkumar College? No answer. Rajkumar College, Rajkot? No answer. DPS Jodhpur? No, I cannot repeat a question on a pass, I'm sorry. MMPS?
0, 0 and
Not 00N.
A lambda upon A.
No. Vallabhashrams?
Lambda upon 2 epsilon naught.
Someone said that, if you're paying attention. At the exact...
Epsilon naught.
No, that's not the right answer. Gotan?
Pass.
Pass. Where's model?
1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda pi pi.
1 by
4 pi epsilon naught lambda pi pi.
lambda pi. No. That's not the right answer. I'm afraid no one's got this correct. It's lambda by 4 epsilon naught A.
Sir, Abhishek sir, I want to listen the answer again. What is that? Bhiwani.
Vivani, where are you?
Lambda pi upon 4 pi epsilon naught A.
That is the correct answer.
Lambda?
Lambda pi will be cancelled and we'll get lambda upon 4
Right.
epsilon naught.
Yeah, okay, fine. But you should be giving me a simplified answer. Yeah, shouldn't you? That's the right answer indeed. But you should try and give me the simplified answer. When you see the pi's are cancelling out, please try and cancel them out. Yeah, it makes it easier because it's a quiz where all teams are involved and things have to be quicker. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, question for Maheshwari Public School. The electric potential V is given as function of distance in meters by V is equal to 10x square plus 4x minus 6 volts. Find the electric field when x is equal to 0.5 meter. X is equal to 0.5 meter. And the equation is V is equal to 10x square plus 4x minus 6 volts. I want the electric field at 0.5 meter.
Minus 14 volts per meter.
Is that your final answer? You had time. Your time's up now. Do you have another answer? Yes. Maheshwari Public School.
14 volts per meter.
Yes, that's the right answer. I'll give that to you. There was no minus. That's why I was dwelling upon you so that you give me the right answer. Well done. Okay, yeah, but the answer, okay, fine, fair enough. But the answer I was looking for is, when you consider, yeah, that's a fair answer. Alright, question for you. A Daniell cell is balanced on 125 centimeter length of a potentiometer wire. Now the cell is short circuited by a resistance of 2 ohms and the balance point is obtained at 100 centimeter. Find the internal resistance of the Daniell cell. 125 centimeter length of a potentiometer wire. The cell is short circuited by a resistance of 2 ohms and the balance point is obtained at 100 centimeter. What's the internal resistance? Right, your time's up. Sir Padampad Singhani Education Center.
1 by 2 ohm.
1 by 2 ohm is half. 0.5 is the right answer. 10 points. Alright, last question of the physics round goes to Rajkumar College from Raipur. In a potentiometer experiment, 2 cells of EMF E1 and E2 are used in series and in conjunction, and the balancing length is found to be 58 centimeter of the wire. If the polarity of E2 is reversed, then the balancing length becomes 29 centimeters, exactly half. Find the ratio of EMF of the two cells. E1 and E2 in series and in conjunction, the balancing length is found to be at 58 centimeters. If the polarity of E2 is reversed, the balancing length becomes half, 29 centimeters. Find the ratio of EMF of the two cells. Right. 1:4 is not the right answer. Rajkot. 1:2, not the right answer.
E1 is to E2 is equal to 3.
3. That's the right answer. I'll give it to you. 3:1 is the right answer. You score 5 points. Good way to end the first round of physics. And while we have the scores, I think it's time for some audience questions. Is the audience ready for some questions? Okay. All right. How excited is the audience today? Very excited. Okay. First question of the quiz. What should it be on? Sports. Majority. Okay, what should it be on? Tennis is sports. Sports. Okay. So be it. Okay, let's see. Which is the only sport apart from tennis, table tennis and badminton that allows men and women to compete on equal footing? They start. Okay, don't spill out the answer. I'll give preferences to our guests, people who have come from outside of Gotan. And then, if you cannot answer, the question will be passed to the host school students. Okay? So what sport allows men and women to participate together? Okay. I see a blue shirt, definitely not from Gotan. Can you come up? Do you have a mic? Extra mic for the audience? Okay, that's fine. It's not squash. Yes. It's not swimming. Of course, there's different men's and women's events are separate. Yes, please. Anyone else? Olympic sport, I said. Chess is not an Olympic sport. You're right. Chess, you are allowed to compete against each other. In fact, a super GM is a lady called Judith Polgar, who's a lady, but she competes with men and she beats them. Even better. Okay. Anyone else? It is not shooting. Okay. I still see some hands. I hope the scores are being calculated in the meantime. Yes, please. Whose hand did I see? Yes, madam.
Ice skating.
Ice skating is not an Olympic event, and I don't think they participate together. Anyone else? Yes. Fencing is a good guess, but not the right answer. No. Fencing obviously has separate. See, you asked for sports. Anyone from the front panel trying to guess? Madam, sir? But you are our host. But taekwondo. Not taekwondo. Not what? Not roller sports. Anyone else? Okay, what are we left with now? Archery? No, not archery. Yes? What else do you know?